How to replace a 2017 Dodge Durango 4-button smart remote key fob battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Alright, we're going to change the battery out on our 4-button remote. This task is easy to do. You notice right here, you get the indentation. If you have your key ring attached, you will need to remove that. So let's go ahead and flip it over. You got your emergency key blade release. Pull that towards you. It is spring loaded. Set your emergency blade to the side. You notice you have the hole that it came out of, and you get that flat spot. That's where you're going to need a flat tip screwdriver. Go ahead and put it in here. Hold the remote firmly, and you will rotate the screwdriver. Do not pry. Once you do that, put the pad down and pull the two halves apart. You do that so the circuit board stays in its location. Take your screwdriver 180 from that little indentation. This battery just came out that way. Normally they don't. Normally you have to come over to the side and lift up on it. It's a CR2032 battery. Let's go ahead and reassemble it. This is a new remote, so I'm going to reuse the battery. Remember this piece right here? Put it over, squeeze it. It's all sealed up. There we go. You've changed the battery. Thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there.